The New York Stock Exchange, the largest and most well-known stock exchange in the world. Worth over $26 trillion US, its spot as the top worldwide stock exchange is up for no debate. With over 2,800 companies listed and billions of dollars being moved on it daily. Investors have their choice from blue-chip established companies to new high-growth potential businesses that freshly IPO'd. But the New York Stock Exchange has a long history. Before you could download an app on your phone, transfer some money from your bank, and purchase a stake in your favorite company, early investors never had it this easy. In 1792, the New York Stock Exchange was established at 68 Wall Street, where 24 brokers and merchants outlined the rules for trading securities in the Buttonwood Agreement. The organization was initially named the New York Stock and Exchange Board. It became the New York Stock Exchange in 1863. At that time, only male traders took part in the New York Stock Exchange. It was only in 1967 when a female trader was allowed to participate in trading. In 1971, the New York Stock Exchange became a not-for-profit corporation, and in 2006, a publicly traded company. It was also during this time when traders and the public started using electronic systems to trade stocks. In 2007, the New York Stock Exchange merged with Euronext, and in 2008, the New York Stock Exchange acquired the American Stock Exchange. The Intercontinental Exchange later purchased the New York Stock Exchange for $8.2 billion. The New York Stock Exchange wasn't the first stock exchange in the US. However, that honor goes to the Philadelphia Stock Exchange, but the New York Stock Exchange quickly became the most powerful. The New York Stock Exchange made its home on Wall Street. The exchange's location, more than anything else, led to the dominance of the New York Stock Exchange quickly attaining. It was in the heart of all business and trade, coming to and going from the United States, as well as the domestic base for all banks and large corporations. By setting listing requirements and demanding fees, the New York Stock Exchange became a very wealthy institution. All trades on the New York Stock Exchange followed a continuous auction format. Brokers traded stocks as buyers and sellers auctioned securities for the best price. Though famous for its trading floor, most stock transactions are now done electronically, with computers matching buyers and sellers. Despite most transactions now happening through electronic platforms, the New York Stock Exchange is still a hybrid market. This allows stockbrokers to send through either the electronic platform or the trading floor, where orders are carried out by floor brokers. The New York Stock Exchange originally used a gavel to signal the start and end of trading, but in 1870 it switched to a Chinese gong. When it moved to the present location, the gong was replaced by a brass bell. The opening bell rings at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, while the closing bell can be heard at 4 p.m. A significant part of the stock exchange's brand, the opening and closing bells, are also used to mark a financial-related event or celebrate an important event in New York City. It is an honor to be invited to ring the bell on the New York Stock Exchange. While many who are asked to ring the bell are business executives, there are many celebrities who have rung the bell. The privilege was also given to the police and fire departments of the New York City, who answered the call of duty during the 9/11 attacks. The New York Stock Exchange has had its periods of gloom over its history, including the famous stock market crashes, including those during the 1929 Great Depression, Black Monday of 1987, the 2001 dot-com burst, the 2001 dot-com bubble burst, the 2008 financial crisis, and the recent 2020 COVID-19 pandemic. The exchange was even shut on October 29, 2012, due to Hurricane Sandy. The New York Stock Exchange is currently located in New York's financial district at the New York Stock Exchange building on the famous Wall Street, where you can invest to your heart's desire under the world's largest and most well-known stock exchange. This was a quick summary of the history of the New York Stock Exchange and its journey to becoming the largest stock exchange worldwide. Tune in next week for an Understanding the Nasdaq video. Subscribe to Business Ventures and leave a like and comment for more case studies and market updates weekly as this series continues and as we cover the world's largest stock exchanges in the future.